Example number 14 says the table above lists the lengths to the nearest inch of a random sample of 21 brown bullhead fish, and the outlier measurement of 24 inches is an error. Okay. Of the median, mean, and range of the values listed, which will change the most if the 24-inch measurement is removed from the data? So if the 24-inch measurement is removed from the data, so what are they saying? They're saying that if you were to do the mean of this, that's the sum of all these numbers together divided by the total number, which I think is what is that? 3 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 21 numbers. So you'd add all those up and divide by 21. Then the median is just the middle number, which would probably be 12. And if I get rid of this one, it'd be probably this number, or the average of those two. So it'd still be 12. Because the median is the middle number in the list, if they're written in order. These are written in order. They go from least to greatest. Middle is the median. And then mode is what? Does anybody remember what the mode is? It's the number that occurs most often. Well, the number that occurs most often is 12, and if you get rid of 24, it's still the number that occurs most often. Okay? So, because 12 appears 4 times. No other number, they appear more than once, but they don't appear 4 times. Well, if I get rid of this 24, the mean then changes, right? It would be the total sum, which would be less 24, right? Minus 24, whatever we had before. And that would be divisible by 20. Well, that's going to change the most, I think. Don't you guys think? Oh, wait. They said the range, too. Oh, the range would change a lot. Oh, man. The range goes from the smallest. Let's think about that. The range, I didn't think about the range. The range would change a lot because you take the biggest number, which is 24, and subtract the least number, which is 8. So the range with the 24 is 16. If we do the range without the 24, the next highest number would be 16 minus 8, and that would be 8. While the mean does change some, if we think about the range would change the most. Because all these numbers are going to be pretty, it'll shift closer to 12. The mean would shift closer to 12, but the range would change the most. It would change far more than the range. All right, that's all I got for